If you eat regular meals but still feel hungry, tired, or unsatisfied, the problem isn't your appetite, it's your food choices. Many foods digest too fast, spike blood sugar, and leave your body asking for more. In this video, I'll share 11 foods with zero sugar that digest slowly, nourish your body deeply, and keep you feeling full for hours. These foods don't just fill your stomach, they send powerful signals of satisfaction to your brain. Number 1. Eggs. Eggs are one of the most complete and satisfying zero-sugar foods nature has ever created. What makes eggs so powerful for fullness is not just their protein content, but how that protein behaves inside the body. Egg protein digests slowly and steadily, which means it provides a constant stream of amino acids into the bloodstream instead of a rapid spike. This slow digestion keeps hunger hormones quiet and prevents the rapid return of appetite that many people experience after carbohydrate-heavy meals. Eggs also influence hormones related to satiety. When you eat eggs, your body increases the release of hormones that signal fullness and satisfaction to the brain, while suppressing ghrelin, the hormone responsible for hunger. This hormonal response explains why people who eat eggs often naturally eat fewer calories later in the day without trying. In addition, eggs contain healthy fats that further slow digestion and prevent blood sugar fluctuations, which are a major trigger for cravings. Beyond fullness, eggs support metabolic health. They provide choline, which plays a role in fat metabolism and brain function, helping the body efficiently use stored energy. Eggs also supply fat-soluble vitamins that support hormone balance, which indirectly affects appetite regulation. Whether eaten at breakfast or later in the day, eggs create a deep, lasting sense of nourishment that makes overeating far less likely. Number 2. Salmon. Salmon is one of the most filling zero-sugar foods because it nourishes the body at multiple levels simultaneously. It provides high-quality protein for satiety, omega-3 fats for hormonal balance, and micronutrients that support energy production. This combination makes salmon especially effective at calming hunger and reducing cravings. Omega-3 fatty acids slow stomach emptying, meaning food stays in the digestive system longer. This physical delay sends continuous fullness signals to the brain, reducing the urge to snack. At the same time, omega-3s reduce inflammation, which is often linked to insulin resistance and unstable blood sugar. When blood sugar stabilizes, hunger becomes predictable and manageable instead of sudden and intense. Salmon also improves insulin sensitivity, helping the body handle energy more efficiently. This prevents sharp blood sugar drops that trigger hunger and sugar cravings. In addition, salmon contains vitamin D and B vitamins that support mitochondrial function, the system responsible for energy production inside cells. When energy is stable, appetite naturally decreases. A single portion of salmon doesn't just fill the stomach, it satisfies the body's deeper nutritional needs. Before we move to the next food, make sure to like the video. It helps support the channel and allows me to keep bringing you high-quality health content. Number 3. Chicken breast. Chicken breast is one of the most reliable zero-sugar foods for staying full because of how efficiently the body processes its protein. Protein digestion requires more time and more energy than fats or carbohydrates, which means chicken breast keeps your digestive system working steadily for hours. This slow breakdown delays hunger and reduces the frequency of eating throughout the day. Chicken breast also supports muscle preservation, which is critical for metabolic health. Muscle tissue burns calories even at rest, so maintaining muscle helps regulate appetite naturally. When muscle mass declines, the body often compensates with increased hunger signals. By supporting lean muscle, chicken breast indirectly reduces excessive appetite. Another reason chicken breast is so filling is its simplicity. With no sugar, no refined carbohydrates, and minimal fat, it doesn't trigger insulin spikes or cravings. It provides clean fuel that the body recognizes as nourishment rather than stimulation. When paired with fiber-rich vegetables, chicken breast creates meals that digest slowly, keep blood sugar stable, and promote long-lasting satiety. Number 4. Spinach. Spinach keeps you full in a different way, not through calories but through volume and micronutrients. It takes up physical space in the stomach, stretching the stomach walls and activating fullness receptors. This physical signal is one of the most important triggers for satiety, especially during weight loss. Spinach also addresses hidden hunger. Many people feel hungry not because they lack calories, but because they lack nutrients. Spinach provides magnesium, iron, potassium, and antioxidants that support energy production and nerve function. When nutrient needs are met, the brain stops sending hunger signals. In addition, spinach supports blood sugar stability by slowing carbohydrate absorption when eaten with other foods. This prevents rapid digestion and reduces post-meal hunger. Over time, regularly eating spinach helps retrain appetite cues, making it easier to feel satisfied with reasonable portions. Number 5. Mushrooms. Mushrooms are uniquely filling because they satisfy both physical hunger and sensory hunger. Their umami flavor sends strong satisfaction signals to the brain, making meals feel complete. This reduces the desire to continue eating for pleasure rather than hunger. Mushrooms are also rich in fiber that slows digestion and feeds beneficial gut bacteria. A healthy gut produces compounds that help regulate appetite hormones and reduce cravings. When gut health improves, hunger becomes more stable and predictable. Because mushrooms mimic the texture of meat, they increase meal satisfaction without adding sugar or excess calories. This makes them especially effective for fullness when used in large portions. Mushrooms help the brain register that a meal was substantial, even when calorie intake is controlled. Number 6. Greek yogurt. Plain and unsweetened. Plain Greek yogurt keeps you full through a powerful combination of slow-digesting protein and gut-supporting probiotics. The protein forms a thick structure in the stomach that takes time to break down, delaying hunger and reducing appetite between meals. Probiotics improve gut signaling, which affects how hunger and fullness hormones are released. A healthy gut communicates more accurately with the brain, preventing unnecessary hunger signals. Greek yogurt also supports blood sugar balance by slowing digestion and reducing insulin spikes. When eaten unsweetened, Greek yogurt trains the palate away from sugar dependence. Over time, this reduces cravings and improves appetite control. Its calcium content also supports fat metabolism, making it a powerful food for long-term satiety and metabolic health. Number 7. Avocado. Avocado keeps you full by slowing everything down. Its healthy fats delay digestion, stabilize blood sugar, and prevent hunger rebounds. This slow digestion creates a steady, calm energy release rather than spikes and crashes. Avocado also supports hormone production. Many appetite hormones are fat-dependent, meaning the body needs healthy fats to regulate hunger properly. Without enough fat, appetite becomes erratic. Avocado restores balance by providing the right type of fat in a sugar-free form. The fiber in avocado feeds gut bacteria and improves digestion efficiency. This leads to better nutrient absorption and more accurate hunger signals. Even small portions of avocado dramatically increase meal satisfaction and reduce the need to snack. Number 8. Cucumber. Cucumbers support fullness primarily through hydration and volume. Many hunger signals are actually signs of dehydration. Cucumbers provide water along with fiber, helping the body correctly interpret hunger versus thirst. The fiber in cucumbers slows digestion slightly and adds bulk to meals, helping activate fullness receptors without adding calories. This makes cucumbers especially useful for reducing overeating and improving portion control. Cucumbers also support digestion and reduce bloating, which improves comfort after meals. When digestion feels light and comfortable, hunger cues become more accurate and manageable. Number 9. Lean beef. Lean beef creates deep, long-lasting fullness because it delivers dense nutrition in a compact, slow-digesting form. The protein in lean beef suppresses appetite hormones for extended periods, meaning hunger stays quiet long after the meal is finished. Unlike foods that digest quickly and leave you searching for snacks, lean beef provides sustained satiety that can last for hours. Lean beef is also rich in iron, zinc, and B vitamins, all of which play a critical role in energy production. When the body lacks these nutrients, fatigue increases, and fatigue often disguises itself as hunger or craving. By supporting oxygen delivery to muscles and the brain, lean beef helps prevent energy crashes that trigger sugar cravings. Additionally, lean beef supports muscle repair and maintenance, which keeps metabolism strong and appetite regulated. When eaten in balanced portions, lean beef satisfies both physical hunger and nutritional needs without disturbing blood sugar levels. Number 10. Zucchini. Zucchini keeps you full by increasing meal volume without increasing sugar or calories, which is extremely important for appetite control. Its high water content physically fills the stomach, while its fiber slows digestion and delays gastric emptying. This combination activates fullness signals and keeps them active for longer periods. Zucchini also works exceptionally well as a base food. When paired with protein or healthy fats, it slows the digestion of the entire meal, making fullness more pronounced fast and longer lasting. Psychologically, zucchini allows you to eat larger portions, which satisfies the desire to eat more food without overeating. Over time, this helps retrain the brain to feel satisfied with balanced meals instead of sugar-heavy foods. Number 11. Shrimp. Shrimp provides powerful satiety while remaining light and easy to digest, making it ideal for appetite control. Its high protein content suppresses hunger hormones and keeps you feeling satisfied without heaviness or sluggishness. Protein from shrimp is rapidly absorbed but slowly utilized, creating a steady sense of fullness. Shrimp is also rich in iodine, which supports thyroid function, a key regulator of metabolism and appetite. When thyroid function is supported, energy levels stabilize and hunger signals become more balanced. Shrimp allows you to feel full, energized, and satisfied without blood sugar spikes, making it an excellent choice for both daytime and evening meals. These 11 zero-sugar foods prove that fullness comes from nourishment, not sugar or overeating. When you eat foods that digest slowly and support hormonal balance, hunger becomes calm, predictable, and manageable. If this video helped you, like the video, subscribe to Healthy Grams, and share it with someone who struggles with cravings.